Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2653 refers to a low-voltage condition detected in the rocker arm oil control solenoid B, specifically for Bank 1. This error is crucial as it relates directly to the operation of the vehicle's variable valve timing (VVT) system. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is responsible for managing oil flow to the rocker arms, influencing engine performance and efficiency. When low voltage is detected, it may lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, or even engine damage if not addressed. The solenoid is usually located in the cylinder head, connected to the engine control module, ECM, via a 2P connector. Accurate diagnostic action is essential to resolve this issue to ensure the performance of the Honda Pilot remains optimal. The DTC P2653 indicates a problem with the rocker arm oil control solenoid B circuit for Bank 1, showing a low voltage condition. The rocker arm oil control solenoid plays a critical role in the vehicle's variable valve timing (VVT) system, which adjusts the timing of the intake and exhaust valves for optimal engine performance. It is located in the cylinder head area of the engine, and it helps regulate oil flow, thereby influencing engine characteristics like power and efficiency. A malfunction here can cause the engine to run inefficiently, leading to several performance issues. This DTC signifies that the electronic control unit has detected voltage levels outside of the normal operable range for this solenoid. Addressing this fault is vital, since it is directly tied to how efficiently and effectively the engine operates. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P2653. Firstly, poor electrical connections at the rocker arm oil control solenoid B, or the powertrain control module, PCM, may disrupt the signals necessary for proper operation. Secondly, the solenoid itself may be faulty, causing insufficient voltage transmission to the system. Additionally, there could be continuity issues within the wiring that connects the solenoid to the PCM. Each of these possible causes must be methodically checked to pinpoint the exact issue. Ensuring secure connections and verifying the integrity of the wiring is crucial for a successful diagnostic outcome. The presence of DTC P2653 can trigger several noticeable symptoms in the Honda Pilot. Most prominently, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Additionally, drivers may experience poor engine performance, including reduced power during acceleration or irregular engine idling, which can significantly affect the driving experience. Increased emissions may also result, as a malfunctioning VVT system can lead to incomplete combustion and higher levels of harmful byproducts being released. These symptoms serve as critical indicators that further investigation is needed to maintain engine health and overall vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2653 involves verifying the problem settings. Begin by switching the vehicle to the on mode, but do not start the engine. Then, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs that may be present. This is crucial as it resets the system and allows for an accurate diagnosis of the current status. Next, navigate to the VTEC Plus VCM test in the inspection menu and activate Solenoid A under sol.v.activation. This test will assist in determining whether DTC P2653 is still present or if it appears as a confirmed or pending DTC. Observing the results will guide the next diagnostic steps effectively. Once DTC P2653 has been confirmed, the next step is to check the internal resistance of the rocker arm oil control solenoid B. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and locked. Disconnect the 2P connector from the rocker arm oil control solenoid B to isolate it from the circuit. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance between the test points at the solenoid's connector. Specifically, You should check between test point 1 and test point 2 while the vehicle is in the off mode. The resistance should be within a range of 10 to 20 ohms at room temperature for the solenoid to be deemed operational. If these conditions are not met, it is necessary to move to the next steps for possible replacement. The third diagnostic step involves checking the wiring continuity associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid B. First, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS, service check connector line, allowing the system to enable diagnostic checks. After waiting for more than a minute, disconnect the PCM connector C, which has 51 pins. Once disconnected, check for continuity between test point 1, located at PCM connector C pin 14 and body ground. This step is vital to ensure there are no shorts in the wiring harness leading from the PCM to the rocker arm oil control solenoid B. A successful continuity test indicates that the wiring is sound. If not, seek out the short and repair accordingly. After making the necessary repairs related to DTC P2653, it is essential to verify that the issue has been resolved. Begin by reconnecting all connectors that were previously disconnected during the troubleshooting process. Once reconnected, use the HDS to erase any DTCs from the system, ensuring a clean slate for ongoing diagnostics. It's critical then to perform a test drive under various conditions to confirm that the previously detected low voltage condition does not reappear. Monitoring for any check engine light activation during and after test driving will help ensure that the repairs have been effective. This verification step solidifies confidence in the repairs made. Preventive maintenance is critical to avoid future occurrences of DTC P2653. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid B can help identify potential issues before they lead to failures. Ensuring that all connectors are secure and free from corrosion is equally important, as loose or damaged connections commonly cause low voltage errors. Periodically testing the function of the solenoid during routine vehicle service can catch faults early and maintain optimal engine performance. Proactive monitoring and maintenance can lead to a more reliable driving experience and potentially prevent more complex issues in the future. In conclusion, DTC P2653 signifies an important issue regarding the rocker arm oil control solenoid B circuit's low voltage. Monitoring the symptoms closely, such as poor performance and the check engine light, allows for timely intervention. Following the comprehensive troubleshooting steps provided, from using the HDS and checking electrical continuity to verifying resistance values, is crucial in effectively diagnosing and repairing the issue. Completing a thorough test after repairs ensures that the problem is genuinely resolved, safeguarding the vehicle's performance. By coupling these practices with preventive maintenance, vehicle owners can maintain an optimal driving experience for their Honda Pilot. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.